By the end of this module, you will move through a world far bigger than the room you stand in. You will point and teleport across a space in an instant without ever feeling sick. Your small physical room becomes a doorway into a place with no walls. This is how players explore worlds in VR. Here is the problem Locomotion solves. Your real room is small, just a few steps in any direction before you hit a wall. But the world you are building can be huge. A gallery, a forest, a whole city. Locomotion is how the user crosses that gap, moving through a big virtual world while standing safely inside a small real one. There are two main ways to move, and the choice matters more than almost anything for comfort. Teleport, where you point at a spot and instantly jump there. It is comfortable for almost everyone. And smooth locomotion, where you push a thumbstick and glide, like a first-person game. Smooth feels more immersive, but it makes many people motion sick. Most VR apps default to teleport and offer smooth as an option. Let us look at teleport, the comfortable default. You hold a button and a curved ray shoots out with a marker at the end. You aim the marker at a spot on the floor, you release, and you are instantly standing there. No motion, so no sickness. The Meta XR SDK and the XR Interaction Toolkit both give you a ready-made teleport system. You just say which surfaces can be teleported to. Smooth locomotion is the other style. You push the thumbstick forward, and you glide through the world continuously, like walking. It feels more natural and immersive, and for some games it is the right choice. But here is the catch. Your eyes see motion while your body stands still, and that mismatch is exactly what makes people feel sick. Use it carefully and always with comfort options. Comfort is not optional. It is what keeps people in your app instead of taking the headset off. A vignette tunnels the edges of your view during movement, which calms the inner ear. Snap turn rotates you in fixed steps instead of a dizzy smooth spin. And the golden rule, let the user choose. Teleport or smooth, vignette on or off, turn speed. Comfort settings are how you keep every kind of player. Setting up teleport is straightforward, and the lab guide has every click. You add a locomotion system to your camera rig. You mark the floor as a teleport surface, so the user can land there but not on walls or the ceiling. And you add a teleport ray to a hand or controller. After that, point at the floor, release, and you move. Let your agent wire the whole movement system. You say, add teleport on my right hand that works on any floor surface, add snap turning on my left thumbstick, and add a comfort vignette during movement. Make teleport the default and keep it comfortable. The agent sets up the locomotion system, marks the surfaces, and tells you what to attach. A few movement traps to avoid. If the user can teleport onto walls or the ceiling, you forgot to limit teleport to the floor surface. If they fall through the floor is missing a collider. If smooth movement makes testers squeezy, default to teleport and turn comfort options on. And if snap turn spins too far, reduce the angle. Small comfortable steps beat fast dizzy ones. Think about what movement unlocks. Your world is no longer limited to the few square meters of a real room. Now it can be a gallery you walk through, a level you explore, a city you wander. The user steps through their small room into something vast. Movement is what turns a single scene into a world. So here is how to use this module. This video is the map. It shows you the movement styles and comfort. The lab guide beside it has every exact step to set up teleport and snap turn, and the prompt to wire a comfortable movement system. Watch this once, then open the lab guide and let your user move. That is Module 6. Your user can now move freely through a world bigger than their room comfortably. Next module, we make your app remember. Saving and persistence, so when the user takes off the headset and comes back, their world is exactly as they left it. Open the lab guide. Let's get moving.